Ready to drop into the battlegrounds on your Linux Mint desktop and experience the thrill of Pubg Mobile. First things first, you'll need an Android emulator. Many options are available, but in this tutorial, let's choose one popular and compatible with Pubg Mobile. Start by searching for one in your software manager. This will involve opening the software manager, then using your keyboard or mouse to locate the search bar and type in the emulator name. Once you have located your emulator, you'll need to install it. Click the Install or Get button to begin the installation process. The software manager will handle most of the steps, like downloading system dependencies. Setting up the emulated Android environment. You might be prompted along the way to confirm the installation with your administrative password. After installation, launch the emulator. You'll likely need to sign into your Google account within the emulator to access the Google Play Store. The emulator automatically sets up an Android virtual device. This means you're essentially creating a virtual Android phone within your computer. Next, open the Google Play Store. Inside the emulator, search for Pubg Mobile and then click Install. Pretty much like you would on your phone. After the game downloads, open it. You may be required to download additional files and then agree to any prompts the game sends to you. Spend some time configuring your game control settings within the emulator. Usually, there's a setting menu on the emulator itself that lets you map keyboard and mouse keys to in-game actions. You'll need to map things like movement, shooting, aiming, reloading, and using items. Experiment and customize them to your preference. Consider that performance can depend on your Linux Mint machine. Adjusting Pubg Mobile graphics settings within the game itself. Start by reducing the graphics to a lower setting such as low or medium. If you don't feel like you are getting great performance, then it's best to change your emulator settings to improve your gameplay. Now jump into matches and have fun. Don't forget to subscribe for more Linux Mint gaming tutorials.